Got it.
What is going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to the Crack Addicts YouTube channel, home to chiropractic media. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. If you do enjoy chiropractic content like this, before we get into the video, if you want to skip the commentary, go straight to 1 minute and the video will roll out from there. Anyway, getting into today's video, guys and girls, we've got another big chiropractic adjustment compilation. If you want to check out any of the chiropractors, their links will be in the description where you can get in contact with them if you want to book appointments or go and get treatment done from them. That's how you can do that. If you didn't check out yesterday's video, I'll have a link to that in the description where you can check it out. It got a very good response, and I'll throw it up on the screen now so you can see where it is. Make sure you leave a comment in this video. I want to see loads of comments. I want to see your reactions to the video. If you enjoy it, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll let the footage roll now, and I'll see you on the next one.
Right here, I think, it's just a push. Got it. Let's do one here now. Got it. And then you're going to just kind of let your body collapse down. Got it. Then turn your head this way. And here, spin this way just a little bit with your legs. So you can sit on the corner there. Good. And put one leg over each corner. There you go. So I'm going to turn this way, all the way through this way. Let this drop. Got it. Is the stretch okay?
Yes.
Okay, here's the third stretch. Good, now take a breath in. And we're going to do one, okay? And blow it out. Did you feel anything release?
Yeah, my neck.
Okay, so it's wild because we've already adjusted your neck so many different ways. Stop. So I'm going to adjust this next, okay? There's not much left in the neck at this point. We've done it every which way, right? So scoot towards me now.
Oh my gosh. I heard that so loud.
How many were there? There was more. There's more. Let's just wait a second because the siren is coming through. But you see this spot here? That's what I want to kind of work on next. And here's L5, L4, L3, 2, 1. So we're going to come all the way down low here. There's one. Now I'm going to do more. So big breath in and blow it out.
Oh my gosh.
There's more, right? And now line your side again. Pull up the top knee only. Pulling through like this. And I'm just going to do the regular one that worked better, okay? Got it.
Oh my god.
You hear all those?
Yeah, I felt that all the way up.
All the way up your back, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, oh, you can put this on your head. Let's leave from your hip, but sometimes your ankle will go at the same time. Wow. Good, so this time we're going to focus on this ankle. So we're going to come in really close here. One more. Okay. Then we're going to come down here. And do this one next right here. That one doesn't want to go, but that one did. Right there. Right there. Good. So now you put the back of your hands together like this. And now lift the arms high in the air. You feel anything going that one? Okay. So now I'm going to do this right here. Wow. You hear that? Those are good. And do this right there.
Up at that cervical thoracic junction, right around that T1 area here. Okay. Alrighty. So we're going to start on a T2 adjustment on that left side here. Good. Just got to get a little of these hairs out of the way here. Alright, we're going to do a T1 on the right here. There we go. Got up then, and exhale all the way out. Good. One more time, deep breath in, and all the way out. Good. Okay. So now, we clear down a little bit, and then a little bit closer to me. Perfect right there. Good. You fell. Alright, I'm going to have you flip to the other side. That's that. Good. Let me just roll it just a little bit. Perfect. Good. Lay flat on your back for me. Good. She felt that one. Good. Okay. So now I'm going to have you stand up, over just like that, and I want you to put your arms up and over mine.
How? Like, how?
Like, yep, and come down like how my hands are, put your hands over my hands.
Here?
Yep, exactly. Lean back on me, squeeze your elbows. Good. You can press that entire spine here.
Oops.
Okay, just T1 here on that left side. There we go. Take pressure off those nerves, allow that body to function and heal as intended is what we're doing. There we go. Good. Okay, so we're gonna drop down in that upper back, that upper thoracic area. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. One more time and out. Good. Holding and staying really well, but there we go. We'll get some movement there. Good. Just a little one over here. Alright, it's already cleared. Good. Like, yep, just like that. Alright, what I want you to do, I'm going to have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. There it was. We're going to distract in this y-axis. And I just have him relax, just like that. How are you feeling that?
Yeah, I felt that.
Good. How'd that feel? Good. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start that adjustment up top here. Okay, so yeah, you can come on and you can get like right in close here. Okay, we're gonna start with the T1 on that right here. There we go. Felt how that just opened up? I'm gonna drop down to a T2 on the left. There we go. Good. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you take a deep breath in, and then exhale all the way out. Okay, I'm going to drop down a little bit. One more time, deep breath in, let it all out. There it goes. Okay, we're going to go one more time, deep breath in, and exhale out. Okay, good, good. Just going to slide you a little bit. Perfect, just like that. Flip to the other side for me. We're going to bend that top knee and just roll you a little bit. There we go. There it goes. Flat on your back. Hug. Now this one's a little bit lower here, but take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out for me. There we go, up just a little bit. Okay, right there. Breathe in and all the way out. All the way out, all the way out. There it was. Alright, stay down for me. Oh, no, just relax, just relax. How did that feel? Good.
Okay, just drop your head, drop your head. See how he's helping, guys? This muscle shouldn't be acting like this. So he needs to just stop helping, just let his head be heavy on the table. That's much better. Good. Yeah, right here. So now I'm gonna focus on C5, C6. Good. That moved pretty good, actually.
Good.
How'd that feel?
Feel good.
Good. Beautiful. So people always say, good, nice. Good. Good, nice. You came in, your number one thing you came in here for dizziness, vertigo. Tell us about that. How's that changed?
Yeah, it's completely gone. So dizziness is gone, and the lightheadedness it's also completely gone.
How long you had that, sir?
I'm sorry.
How long did you have the dizziness for?
So up and downs for over 4 or 5 years now.
5 years.
Yeah.
How many chiropractors you see again? We still love you, chiropractors in Germany. We love you. But how many did you see?
About
10?
10. Yeah.
Feel a little
No,
more.
not even close.
Okay.
A little bit, but
Still a little bit, but not even close. Good.
no. The first time I was very nervous.
Okay. And she swears these are different adjustments, but I'm doing the exact same adjustment. We start doing new ones as we go forward, but still the same. How's that?
It feels wrong that my head should go that far back, but it feels like the bone's set in the right place.
Yeah, good. You can actually feel now that you visualize it on the computer.
Yes.
You can see. Can you kind of visualize what I'm doing now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. She's done a wonderful job, and it's only going to benefit her. Right there. Okay. Good, nice. Beautiful. Good. I was a little tighter than this morning, huh?
Yeah.
Good. Good. There you go. Much better. Good. It was a little easier than this morning. Yeah, a little easier. Still tight. Doing good. And we're still doing mid-cervical, guys. We haven't even gone to Atlas. We haven't done upper neck, nothing. No lower neck, just mid-cervical adjustments here. Nice and conservative stuff. Good. There it is. Good. Hold on. Give that a second. Breathe. How's a home run do? Good stuff.
Happening in your L5S1, correct?
Yeah.
That we have some sacralization going on. And what that means is that the lowest lumbar L5 has actually taken on the characteristic of his sacrum. So he has 4 true lumbars, but he still has, they have all the same amount of nerves, and this comes during birthing, usually from some nutrient deficiency of mom. Tummy down. Chest up higher. There it is. You gotta drop that tummy first. That's a home run, my friend. PS, LS, occiput. Let's see. Look up. Nice. Home run, sir. And we're gonna get a little torque. And that's a home run.
Thought you didn't love me anymore.
And now it's so hard with, oh my God. Oh.
Yeah, you're noisy one. That's why crack addicts love you. There you go. Look at that.
God.
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
I can hear that way over here.
Oh my
Probably
God.
heard that one over at the Hyatt.
Oh my
Now
God.
your legs are even. I bet you this doesn't tighten up as bad as the first one did.
No, oh my God, that's so funny for
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, just relax your leg in my hand here. That girl. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your pelvis.
Heavens, I did.
Okay, let me have this one too. That girl. Good job.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's hit you up face that way. There we go. I thought I'd save your favorite one for last.
God, this one makes me laugh. I can't take it. I'm sorry. Ready? Like I just
There you go.
look at Jace.
See how dorky mom looks now?
Look at this. I can't.
Thank you. Alrighty. Yeah, just keep your teeth together. I know it's hard for you to keep your mouth shut. There you go. Perfect. See, I caught you off guard.
Oh my God.
Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh,
Yep.
oh my God.
I didn't lose my touch, did I?
No. Oh my God. I can't move. It feels like the first time.
Well, there you go. Boy, you're going to feel like a new woman this afternoon.
Oh my God.
You definitely needed that.
You have no idea. I've been trying to crack this side since before.
And
I
that's
had
my
baby.
job.
I couldn't get it. I did call you to try to get it once your father passed away.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
so sorry.
Oh, thank you. Let me help over here. There we go. Okay, let's stand you over here in front of the mirror and shoot you now. Okay. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards
Oh my
again.
God, it feels so good.
Feel better?